Deep in the heart of Ubud, Bali's longest river has etched its serpent-like shape into the jungle's landscape. This particular body of water is home to the Ayung River, which stretches 75 kilometers through towering gorges and dense jungle vegetation. Join me on this adventure as I navigate these rapids in an 8-man raft in the middle of the jungle. Yes, people, we're at the rafting place right now. I do look a bit of a mess, so I've just shot down from the gym as I was running late, shock horror. Yeah, we're here now. It's about 350k. It's a 2.5 hour trip, and apparently they stop off for a beer and some food. So, sounds like it's going to be a pretty good start to the day. And yeah, I'm excited for it. Right, just going to go to the toilet, but on my way, I couldn't help but notice this beautiful rice field. Look at that. That's very nice. I don't want to record here too much, it's a little bit weird recording my toilet. Point proven. Craig signing his life away, that was a very quick signature. David, I like that. Easy name to remember. You going, David?
Hey, yeah. Spider, my name's Spider.
Spider-Man,
not David.
Gave Craig's a toddler's one for his small chest. Is that right, Craig? I hate to. He's not in the mood for vlogging today because, like I said, he's been sick, which is fair enough. So I'm gonna leave him alone. Today. We're pretty much ready to go. Just gotta wait for the tour guide to get ourselves sorted, and we'll be getting picked up, I think, in that thing there, and then we'll be heading over to the river. Time to pick the tool of choice. Obviously a paddle. Or Craig. Which one? Anyone?
Yeah, the same size but different color.
Okay, let's go for this salmon colour.
I'm gonna go.
Just the first one I picked up, to be fair.
Okay.
Nice chap with this. So I just point when I've choose.
You got on blue to go with all the Viagra you take.
And that, yeah. So blue.
David, is it all of us on one raft? Is it all of us on one raft?
Yeah.
That's not. Oh, we're all on it together. Love it. You excited for that, Craig?
Yes.
Would you pedal here?
Let's go.
Okay.
See, to the bay. So friggin' hot. I know I say this on every single vlog, but I genuinely mean it this time. Has to be at least 35 degrees. But it's the humidity that gets you. How you feeling, boss man?
Sweaty. Very sweaty.
That breeze right now is the best feeling in the world. Like, unbelievable. Craig is in his zone. So good, Craigie.
Yeah, so good.
So hell yeah. The way down here is pretty wild, not gonna lie. I'll be very careful I don't trip over my feet here. I literally just tripped over a minute ago, so this will be a little bit more fatal there. Look at this. Look at that. Boosh. Particularly in sliders, doesn't make it easier, but we like a bit of a challenge, don't we? So it's all good. It's all good. Craig's moaning because he's still sick. Oh, I'm sick. I've got a bit of body belly. Man up, brother. Man up. Actually, I'm not going to say that because no, my luck, I will get it too. And I'll need him to look after me, so I'm going to be nice to him. Hey guys, check this out. There's loads of monkeys here. Not one about Craig, but there is some monkeys. See it? Oh, that's so cute. Hello. Probably gonna try and nick the camera. So.
Scratch his nuts.
Hello. Mate, he is making the pouch of this camera. I know it.
That's enough of the monkeys.
What's the matter?
Boiling, man.
Still going at it. You'll be right, mate, once you get the water.
morning.
Hold in.
Yeah, welcome to Bali.
Down left. Hello. Yeah. The front, yeah. In the middle. Front left now. There we go. Here we go. Oh, man, there we go.
Just gonna shoot a quick forward-facing clip because I had chart check because you don't really want to hold it.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, it's all good. That was wild, honestly. That trip down was so crazy. Rock after rock, getting stuck. Craig's still soaking.
I'm alright, man. I'm alright.
He's okay now. You've heard it gone. Whitewater rafting in Ubud is a common activity which is enjoyed by tourists and locals all year round. The Ayung River is the main rafting destination as it boasts stunning scenery, waterfalls and ancient carvings chiseled into the face of the passing gorges. This river is perfect for beginners and intermediate rafters because of the Class 2 rapids, which are exciting but not too extreme, which makes it safe even if you have zero experience. The company we decided to go with was called Breathtaking Bali Rafting. This was off the back of a recommendation from our local driver who was well connected in the area. We paid around 350,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is about 16 British pounds. And that was for the whole trip, which covered a total distance of 14 kilometers and took around 2.5 to 3 hours. So in my opinion, this is great value for money considering you get all the safety gear, transportation and a guide with you all included in the package. And I did forget to mention, you will get stuck between rocks multiple times and have to constantly bounce up and down to free yourself. So don't expect an easy ride on this trip. This is wild.
Jump.
Come up as fast as you can. Craig's been yanked off. Oh, that happens again, I'm out.
Over my shoulder. Whoa! Fucking hell! Smash me in, I'm don't need to beat that.
Oh my god. This guy hates Craig. I would too, he moans. Okay, so this is a little bit more peaceful. This is how I imagined it, a little bit more calm, a little bit more picturesque as we go through the jungle.
This is a little less stressful.
But not gonna lie, seeing Craig freak out was
dreadful.
absolutely worth it. Do you know what, I paid triple. Someone's like, you've got to pay triple. To experience that again with him, I would. I literally would. When I think of coming to Bali, I imagine this. Kind of like jungle, nice rivers, crazy animals. Obviously you've seen the monkeys on the way, that was cool. Yeah, this is exactly how I envisioned it, so it's pretty cool to see it play out in real life, of course, on this raft with Craig and a bunch of strangers.
Okay, this is cool. We're at some waterfall now, a proper waterfall. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. You know what, I'm so excited for this experience because in Bali we've been spending a lot of time with Canggu, some of the outlets being a bit more like nice restaurants, going out and just doing some crazy stuff. But this is what I like. I like a bit of nature, and to be honest, nature doesn't get any better than here in Bali, particularly in Ubud. So I'm going to enjoy this waterfall and I'll show you some other scenes when we get there. Yeah.
That is the most refreshing I've felt all day. And actually, I wanted to continue to be that way. Sweating endlessly, it's not a nice feeling. We've got paddle.
Oh my God, stuck underneath.
You have to make the most of these calm bits because they are far and in between, but when they are here, you can just chill, relax. When they're not, you are either paddling or you'll get there like this. Here we go. That's all I mean, recording is very difficult because every 2 seconds you can put the camera down, the paddle. But you know, it's got to be a team player, of course. Go, go, go. So guys, we're at the halfway point. It's an 11 kilometers trip. We stop here after an hour. You can get some refreshments, drink, bingtan if you want, and some food obviously. And then you crack on for the remaining hour and then you're back. So I think it's a circuit basically, 11 kilometer circuit, which isn't bad. But in terms of taking your phone and stuff, I wouldn't bother entertaining it. Even if you had the waterproof pouch, because you'll constantly keep getting your phone out. And then when you're doing that, every few seconds you have to paddle, which makes it extremely difficult to try and record and take photos whilst doing that. So there's another dinghy pulled up. Oh, they got the bingtans on. I like that. It's a cool life jacket. Yeah, so like I was saying, I wouldn't bother taking a phone. Obviously this camera is waterproof, therefore it's no issue. But that being said, even just holding this and trying to get content can be difficult when you're constantly hitting into things and you've got to hold on. But hey, that's part of the fun. If you're not YouTubing it, then don't worry about it. Just take it all in, enjoy the scenes because they are beautiful. So unfortunately, Craig and I got teamed up with some people on the raft who are a little bit annoying, but that's okay. But it's kind of tainted the experience of Craig because he sort of smacked the head of the paddle, splashed. We both got bars out the way for our waterfall shot, which really pissed me off.
And on top of that, I don't know if you said, but I thrown my guts up this morning.
Oh yeah, they know.
For no drink, so
They know.
it's got to be a bit, oh no, if you whippy.
But other than that, the rest of the people are great.
Bosh.
Okay, what's going on here? It's a little bit crazy.
I literally have a boat on my lap.
Craig's got a boat in his face.
Hey, help us now!
This is how you get out from a rock. Again. And again. This is generally how you get out. Are we free? Yes. And again. There's a water slide here. Let's go.
Oh man.
Look at that, that was incredibly fun. We nearly lost Craig, That was sick, that was sick. Horrible guy! Get up! I highly recommend that you do this trip, as you will truly have such a great laugh whilst experiencing the beautiful jungle landscape. This, paired with stopping at some incredible waterfalls on the way, just gives this experience such a high rating. Okay, that is a wrap. Big shout out to David. Yes, David looked after us all. Without him, we would have drowned, possibly died. So all in all, big time whitewall rafting, highly recommend it. We've got the very steep way back up now. Don't even know how many steps there are, but it's quite a trek. We'd like to see some monkeys.